What is up, guys? Check it out. We are creeping while you're sleeping. It's been a minute since we did one like this, guys. But anyway, I'm just out here. I'm editing the Warsaw show. That video is coming up, guys. We dropped Torque Car Club in Kendallville. That video's out. Make sure you check that one out, guys. And Slamology just dropped like yesterday or last night, I think, guys. Man, and that one is fire. We had a great time down there. I didn't realize it was last year down there. If I did, I would have done a lot more, guys. I really would have, but I still had a great time. Still fire, lit ass video. It's awesome, guys. I'm digging it. But we're out here hanging out in the Trapway. We got the Blazer back here, but I want to show you guys something. I always say Indiana weather hates it. So we had a bunch of heat and it was real hot, like almost 100 degrees for like a week, which is hot for Indiana. Then we had storms come through and it hates us. Stuff blown everywhere, all over the driveway. Everywhere, guys. It messed everything up. But check it out. We're out here with the Trap Blazer tonight. I think we got some more work coming for back here. We're gonna do some more. We got some more inside work coming for sure, for sure. You can see I got the oil drip on the underglow. Justin, he calls it my pride colors. I always say chevygang, if it's leaking oil, it's God oil, and that just reminds me of oil and water. We're gonna do the insides up the same way. Yeah, and up here in the front, you know, we got the Trap Blazer. I wasn't feeling the color flip up here. I'm thinking just the dim red and the white lights. That looks good up here. Looks good with the oil drip. We get it on the dark side now. Yeah. I don't even think I got the doors open on this side, guys. It keeps the noise down. This is my neighbor's side right here, so I leave them shut and open the ones on my side a lot of times. I make enough noise. Yeah, but that's the Trap Blazer tonight, guys. Creeping while you're sleeping. That's what we're doing. We're just hanging out. Warsaw show. That'll be dropping soon, guys. We'll see you then. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.